Gardyn Microgreens Review, a comprehensive overview. Introduction to microgreens. Microgreens are young vegetable greens, 1 to 3 inches tall, harvested after their first true leaves develop. Valued in fine dining for their flavor and visual appeal, they offer diverse colors, textures, and are nutrient-dense with a concentrated aromatic flavor, making them popular among chefs and food enthusiasts. Nutritional benefits of microgreens. Rich in vitamin C, E, K, beta-carotene, and lutein. High in antioxidants, protects against oxidative stress. Supports healthy digestion and immune system. Low in calories, ideal for weight management. Nutrient levels higher than mature plants. How to grow microgreens at home. Seed selection, choose high-quality seeds, broccoli, kale, radish. Container prep, use shallow containers with drainage holes. Sowing, scatter seeds, ensure good soil contact. Optimal conditions, indirect sunlight, moderate humidity. Harvesting, cut at 1 to 3 inches tall, after first true leaves develop. Gardyn Microgreens System Overview. Revolutionary design, smart hydroponics system for indoor use. Vertical space utilization, maximizes yield in small areas. Smart growing technology, monitors growth via app and sensors. Customizable and expandable, add more pods for variety. Sustainability, reduces food waste and environmental footprint. Ease of use, minimal maintenance, convenient for all. Advantages of the Gardyn Microgreens system. Convenience, grow fresh microgreens at home. Year-round harvest, continuous supply regardless of season. Smart monitoring, tracks growth, water levels, and conditions. Diverse selection, wide variety of microgreen seed pods. Nutrient-rich produce, high in essential vitamins and minerals. Space efficient, ideal for urban settings with limited space. Step-by-step guide to using Gardyn system. Setup location, choose a spot with natural light and nearby outlet. Assembly, simple tool-free assembly with provided instructions. Planting, follow guidelines for seedling placement and spacing. App connection, monitor system via the Gardyn app on your smartphone. Watering and harvesting, follow app guidance for watering and enjoy harvesting. Maintenance and care of Gardyn system. Regular cleaning, prevent algae and impurity buildup in water reservoir. Water quality, use filtered water or dechlorinated tap water. Pruning, remove yellowing leaves to promote healthy growth. Lighting, ensure adequate light exposure by adjusting system position. Nutrient management, monitor and replenish nutrients as recommended. Comparison with traditional growing methods. Yield and growth time. Hydroponics, higher yield, faster growth than traditional soil methods. Traditional, longer growth times, especially for certain crops. Environmental impact. Hydroponics, reduced carbon footprint, water conservation. Traditional, higher resource use, potential for more chemical use. Quality and taste. Organic, rich flavor, higher nutrient content. Conventional, standardized taste, may lack complexity. Consumer preference, organic often favored for taste and nutrition. Conclusion. Microgreens, a flavorful, nutritious addition to any diet. Gardyn system, an innovative, efficient way to grow microgreens at home. Embrace sustainable gardening, enhance your meals with fresh, homegrown greens. Enjoy the health benefits and culinary delight of microgreens with Gardyn. Thank you so much for watching. Your views, likes, comments, and shares mean the world to us. Your engagement and feedback inspire us to keep creating and sharing content that you enjoy.